Hey guys, it's Matt with ContractorHUB, and today we're going to talk a little bit about shoutouts and what shoutouts are for ContractorHUB. So shoutouts live in the people module under the team management cluster. Once you get into team management, you will see shoutouts at the top. I'm sure you're kind of questioning, what is this? Well, this is a quick way to recognize employees across the company. So maybe you have a meeting and everybody's in that meeting, your leadership meeting. You say, hey, Brandon did an exceptional job last week at a homeowner appointment, and we want to recognize him for that. This is a great way to do that. So we can go to the shoutouts tab and then we can say, give a shout out. And there's also shortcuts and other ways to do it from your dashboard, but I'm showing you the detailed way to do it. So we can say what employee is being recognized, and I can see Brandon, and I'm going to say, I'm going to be giving this for Michael. Let's say Michael was the one that gave him this, and he said, went above and beyond for a customer, stayed late after work to ensure a customer was well taken care of. And then now all of these shout outs are going to be can be directly linked to one of your core values that you set up during onboarding. So whether that be for this specific client, it is they have of excellence might be something that they live by in their core values, but these are all set up again during your onboarding. So they'll be very unique to your business, but you can assign a core value. You don't have to assign a core value, but the benefit to assign a core value is that it starts to highlight those core values for employees on their dashboard. When they log in, they're going to see Brandon was recognized by Michael for doing this, and because that was part of what that core value is. So what we're trying to do is reaffirm and reiterate to our employee base what our core values are and some examples of what those core values are, so they know how to live by your core values. So we're going to say public recognition. You can either turn it on or off. If you turn it off, it just sends an email and a notification to the employee. If you keep it on, it's going to go public, and you're going to see that on everybody's dashboard. So you'll see shout out posted. Now, if I go back to my dashboard, you're going to see in my company values widget, which I have set up, is I can see all of our company values. Then I can see any shout outs for what happened for that core value. So again, it just is reiterating to your employees what your values are, and then what you need to do to live by those values. And of course, recognizing the ones that are truly living by those core values. So that's about it. That's a quick overview of our shoutouts feature. If you have any questions, reach out to customer success. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much, guys.